Good morning. Today's perilous perambulation finds us just outside the town of Doppliskara, and we are walking to a lovely canyon where you can see eagles. The dangers of today, well, there's definitely a lot of jackals around here. They were keeping us awake last night with the howling, and there's definitely boars around here because we've seen some big poops, and I don't think the eagle will be fine, but the first danger of the day will be a big ladder. First one, not too bad. Second one, getting harder. This walk really is quite reminiscent of our first hike of doom in Sri Lanka. Just relentless steep uphill. There's the car. Down we go. And in true Death-like fashion, once again, we are lost. Well, it would seem a rock fall has broken the path. There are ropes down there, but I don't trust it. Come to a few more dead ends, and we decided to walk back out. Back up the way we came, and back down that other steep hill. It's worth mentioning at this point, if we don't get out of here, I want everyone to know I hate Choppy so much. Oh, flat ground, thank fuck. Sit rep hour 3.5 of our 2-hour hike. Kilometre 7 of our 3-kilometre hike. 500 meters of vertical of our 250 vertical hike. Things are going great. So we walked up there, round down into the canyon, and we got very lost. Tried 2 or 3 different ways and came to dead end cliffs, and we walked back up and back down the valley and all the way up here.